Hi there, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Hyundai Iload, stock number 5951. This ran from the 1st 2012 to 03/2021. There's a D4CB 2.5 litre diesel turbo engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the D4CB 2.5 litre diesel turbo engine. Left front mirror. Left rear sliding door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear sliding door, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear stick. AC controls. Factory touchscreen. Satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.